What's up, guys? Alright, so as I said in the last video, I'm not going to be keeping the auto transmission, the turbo, the manifold, the injectors, or a lot of stuff. I actually didn't tell you guys that, but yeah, I'm getting an R154. I'm getting a BorgWarner S366 turbo. It's going to be a big 66mm turbo. I'm getting some bigger injectors. I'm not sure what size yet, but I'm thinking about probably 720 cc injectors, and then the manifold's going to be gone, and I'm not going to need the ECU either because I'm going to be getting a standalone for it. So yeah, so basically this video I'm going to do like a time lapse on taking everything apart that I can today. So first I'm going to start with the transmission and work my way to the turbo and all that other stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so what you just saw in that last, I don't even know how many seconds, I've been spending a fucking hour trying to get this stock wiring harness off, and it's like impossible to get it off unless you take off the intake manifold right here. So that's what I just did. I just took off the intake manifold and I was able to finally get the harness out. So next I'm going to start working on this turbo, I believe. So yeah. Guys, I was trying to just fucking unbolt the turbo, but the whole entire manifold's gonna be off too. So the smart thing to do would just remove the whole entire manifold. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright, I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I gotta make this quick because all three of my GoPro batteries just died, and this one's pretty much dead too. But anyways guys, like I was saying, I got the turbo off, got all that stuff off. I got the stock wiring harness out. I got the transmission off. And the ECU and all that shit. Now, next video, I'm going to actually be taking off the flywheel right there. I'll probably do another, whatever it's called with the pictures. So I'll be taking, or not the flywheel, the torque converter. We'll be taking that off, and then down there, if you guys can see, I still got to take out the stock injectors. And then the next thing is the power steering and the AC. Not 100% if I want to take off the power steering yet, but definitely the AC. So yeah guys, all of these parts are going to be up for sale if you guys want them or need them for anything. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will definitely be posting another one soon because I still have a good bit of work to do. But this is the end of this video because all my batteries are dead. I got to charge them all up. But I will see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, and yeah, peace.